Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can know how much time you spend on TikTok apps. So in here, I've already on the TikTok apps, and then you can just click on your profile button. Then here, click on the three lines icon, horizontal lines at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy. And if you scroll down, there will be the screen time option. So just tap on that. And this is the summary. You can just scroll down, and here this is the chart, how much I spend my time on TikTok in a week. You can see the charts in here, and the total is 3 hour 27 minutes, and the daytime 3 hour 3 minutes, and a nighttime I spent on TikTok is only 24 minutes. So you can find the details in here, or you can also find like the day after or the day before. You can just tap on the chart like this, and it will show the detail. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.